Today, we will continue our journey, keep scalping and day trading momentum-based assets. We will rely on our best scalping indicator and strategy. Markets are not easy to trade. We need to focus on more and more specific assets. No more user stock, let's start now. Another day in the NASDAQ market open, another great time to improve our skills in reading the market movements. Let's observe what happens in the market open and why it happens. Right before the market opens, you can easily notice this equal high-like structure here. It is not perfect, but it is an obviously interesting price level. And right above them are beloved imbalance to fuel the movement. And all happens at this SR Philip location. Notice how the supportive price level once broken downwards and now acting as resistance level. Finally, if you check out below, you can notice the open liquidity area as our target. Altogether, this system completes a full pattern. What was the pattern again? Let's remind ourselves. Mostly, I want my patterns to have clear targets like in this example, because targets give me more reasons for the price movements. And before any kind of entries, I also enjoy the price fuel up. It means that there was a hunt for all the stop losses before the big move. Support and resistance Philip lines are actually not essential, but I call them as extra confluence areas. It just makes trades much stronger and trustable. All these are perfect. But more importantly, there is a crucial thing that I look for. This is the reason I use this multi-time frame indicator called ICT high time frame candles. This indicator shows me possible trade zones. Like here, notice the multi-level imbalance zone at the market open. Since we trade the 1-minute charts here as quick scalpers, it is beneficial to look at the smaller time frames as well. Notice 4 different imbalances as one. An amazing price action. Actually, what happens here? PO3, the power of 3 but nothing else. Actually, all we trade is about PO3. We just add extra confluences for more trustable trade setups. Now, let's discuss what might happen at these multi-level imbalance areas. What can exactly see here? What is really possible? Most basic form is this. In the multi-imbalance area, price sweeps in inner liquidity and crashes suddenly. This is a simple form. The stronger version is the equal highs or lows version. Price creates these perfect equal levels right around the multi-imbalances and sweeps it before the big movement. However, what I see a lot, especially in the NASDAQ, is this. Multi-time liquidity sweeps, couple of fake sweeps, like here. Price sweeps the liquidity couple of times before the movement. Actually, it is not easy to spot this. This is why I like building cost averages around these areas, like the YOYO setup from the MASTERCLASS. However, what is the common thing in all 3 these setups? All 3 versions are actually PO3. What happens here is simple. First, price accumulates and creates some stop losses. Then price hunt all those stop losses with the manipulation phases. In the end, the expansion happens, the big movement we expect. It is all power of 3, but just a little bit different styles. Let's see what happens in the NASDAQ later on. Let's get closer to the price action in this area. First, notice the multi-level imbalance area on the right with our indicator, which is also the nice SR Philip zone as well. These are the clear parts. If you carefully check, you can notice the price sweeps the inner liquidity multiple times in this example. But with each sweep, there are like 10-20 point reactions for quick scalping. However, many can feel complicated here. This is why I encourage you to build cost average in these areas. If you look at this here, an earlier multi-imbalance happens like the above one. Another SR flip location with multi-imbalance. But if you look at it carefully, again price sweeps the area multiple times. I always say this, for beginners, I think the best idea is building small cost averages in these trade zones with each liquidity sweep, instead of waiting for a sniper entry. Okay folks, ending this great lecture. Learned about great trading concepts today. Please take care and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you